Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a leak on an RV. I have a 2022 Forest River 38 DBQ. I'm going to think that a lot of them are the same, but if not, you can get the idea of how to fix this. So the first thing we noticed was that we had a leak underneath the RV in about the place that the hot water heater was. So we took off the panel, which I'll show you here. So we started by taking this panel off, and it goes all the way down. It's about 8 screws, not very hard to get to. And then after we took the panel off, we could see that indeed it was leaking. And so now I'm going to show you how I went about doing this. This is where our hot water heater was leaking from. And if you look closely, you can see the yellow marking from where the water was dripping down. It's kind of faint, but you can see a little bit. That was my first indication that it was leaking from this point. Here's what the actual, I guess it's a coupling, looks like. It doesn't look like it's in very good shape at all. And it was very hard to unscrew this piece, but I did manage to get it off. You can see here, it just does not look like it's in very good shape. And there's the watermark on the styrofoam that you can see. It's tight quarters in here, so it's very difficult to get into. Here is what I took off. This is the piece that I took off. It's not in very good condition, but it does seem to have a, you can't see through it. It does seem to have some kind of little regulator in there. And here's what we replaced it with. We replaced it with a 1/2-inch coupler. We put some Teflon tape around it to make sure that it wasn't going to leak again. And then there again, this is very tight quarters. Need smaller hands to get in there to get this thing twisted on. And once you get it started, then you can use a ratchet to get it going. And this is the ratchet that I used. It's a 21 millimeter for that 1/2-inch brass. And then once I got it tight enough, I went ahead and put the tubing back on. And that was it. It was hard to get to, but not too tough to change out. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you, and now you know how to fix a leak in your RV. Now, one thing to note is that make sure you drain the hot water heater before working on it. I know that sounds silly, but it is a must. And every time you would like to check it to see if there are any leaks, you must fill it back up and then drain it again if necessary. So just remember those steps and you should be great. And I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and I will be posting more videos for you for organizing and other things that we've done to the RV. Thank you.